Hello guys, and welcome back. Next is mesh current method. The goal of the mesh current method is to determine all of the unknown mesh currents in a circuit. A mesh is a loop in a circuit that does not contain any other loops. The mesh current method is only applicable to planar circuits that can be drawn on a plane with no crossing branches. The first step in the analysis is to label all of the mesh currents in the circuit. The mesh currents are fictitious currents that circulate in a mesh. Note that a mesh current may or may not be a branch current, but all of the branch currents can be found from the mesh currents. The next step is to write KVL or Kirchhoff's voltage law equations, summing voltage drops around the mesh in terms of the unknown mesh currents. For n meshes, there will be n linearly independent mesh currents equations to solve. As always, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.